Hello, myself Pramod Nagar. Today topic is structure of eye. Structure of eye. What is the working of the eye? Eye is photo receptor organ. Okay, means eye related to vision. So, today discuss about the eye structure and working of eye. Okay, so eye 1/5 part of eye see by outside and 4/5 part of eye inside. Okay, and now discuss about the layer of eye. Three types of layer in eye. One is fibrous tunic layer. Second is vascular tunic. Third is neurosensory tunic. Okay. So I consist of three layer. Fibrous tunic layer is outside layer and mid layer is vascular tunic and last and inner layer of eye is neurosensory tunic. Okay. So we will discuss about the fibrous tunic layer. Fibrous tunic layer outside layer and fibrous tunic layer also consist of two component, yeah, or two layer. One is sclera, second is cornea. Okay, now we'll discuss about the sclera. Sclera part of the fibrous tunic layer, so not found blood vessel in sclera, and sclera layer colored is white. Okay, second layer of fibrous tunic is cornea. This layer is transparent layer and this layer have not blood vessels, so cornea transplantation are easy. Now fibrous tunic layer discussed in the picture. So this is outer layer sclera and this is a cornea. Cornea and sclera, cornea and sclera both part of the fibrous tunic layer and both layer have not blood vessels and sclera color is white and cornea is transparent and cornea transplantation are easy because cornea have not blood vessels. Okay, second layer is vascular tunic layer. Vascular tunic layer have choroid layer, ciliary body and iris. Okay, and the vascular tunic layer have the blood vessels. Vascular tunic consists of three layers: choroid, ciliary body and iris. All three layers having blood vessels. Okay, so we will discuss about the choroid. Choroid is mid layer, have blood vessels, and second is ciliary body. Ciliary body having two type muscles: meridional muscles and circular. Okay, now see both muscles in this pictures. This part is choroid and this part is ciliary body and this part is lens. and this part is iris. Ciliary body consists of two muscles, meridional muscles and circulatory muscles. Meridional muscles and circular muscle. And this ciliary body connected to lens by ligament, and this ligament called is suspensory ligament. Suspensory ligament. Now all muscles are discussed in working of the eye. So once again, ciliary body consists of two types muscles, meridional muscles and circular muscles. And now see this structure, these muscles are meridional muscles and this muscle is circular muscles, and this area also called ciliary body, and ciliary body attached to lens by suspensory ligament, and suspensory ligament and ciliary body control to lens focal length of the lens. Okay, now discuss ciliary body. Ciliary body having pigment. Now discuss about iris. This part iris. Iris control to diameter of the pupil. This area is pupil, and this pupil diameter controlled by iris. Iris also having two type muscles, circular muscles and radial muscle. Both muscles control diameter of pupil. Now third layer is neurosensory layer. Okay, neurosensory layer having retina. Retina also form two layer. This layer is pigment layer, and this layer photocell. Okay, this layer is a pigment layer and this layer photocell layer, and both cells are formed in retina, and retina is part of so neurosensory layer. Okay, now we will discuss in detail tomorrow. Okay, thank you.